everybody! So guys, ayan na nga po, dumating na ang ating pinakaiintay guys. So guys, ayan, look what I have right now. So ayan guys, tadan! Ang ating money ring or ang ating lucky charm ring. So ayan guys, as you can see, may box pa siya. Ayan, ang ganda ng box oh. Ayan. So ito guys yung ating singsing ha. Ito yung ating pampaswerteng singsing. Ayan guys, for the size number 8. So number 8 ako guys. So ito yung quality niya guys ha. Ayan. Ayan po, makapal siya. Makapal. Ayan siya guys. Makapal ang ating singsing ha. Real gold. Pwede isanla. O diba? Ayan guys. For the size number 8 tayo guys ha. For the size number 8 tayo. Ayan po. Ayan. So guys, go for the checkout nyo na to guys. Napakaganda and then murang-mura lang for only 38 pesos. So guys, in order ko ayun yung size number 9. So guys, checkout na!